I remember you telling me about your annuals and how you actually were able to grow them so much that you're able to basically reduce part of your annual budget. Can you tell us that story real quick before we get into the next slide, which is about resources?
Well, last year was a crazy year. Last year we had kind of a warm winter. But we use all of our own compost prior to putting our plants in annuals around the golf course or the club. And we go through and we spray Holganix on all of the areas on the compost that we do. We plant all of our annuals directly in it. Like I had said earlier, we haven't sprayed fungicides or fertilizer on any of our annuals in years. And last year they got, unfortunately, so tall, and at the end of February they were over 5 feet tall that we actually had to remove the ones that were in front of the windows because they got so big.
That's cool.
It was amazing. Yeah, it was definitely impressive until I'll just have to use a little less Holganix in front of the windows this year.
and weren't you able then to remove some of them because there were so many that you did, and you were able to actually save on purchase?
Correctly. Actually, what we're going to do this year is because they got so big in front of the windows, we're actually going to stagger them. Instead of where we had 2 double rows, we're actually planting them on angles from each other instead of directly on. So we actually cut our annuals around the clubhouse in half this year on what we're planting.
Wow.
Which saved us. Yeah, it was about a $22,000 savings.
Money in your pocket, huh? How much dollars do you think that cost in Holganix? Just roundabout. I mean, just kind of off the top of your head.
Oh,
for those annuals.
I sprayed less than $700 or $800 worth of Holganix around the clubhouse.
Yeah, so 700 got you 22 grand
for the club.
For the club, anyway.
And that one didn't hit my maintenance budget, unfortunately. If you want to, you can we'll try to fix that next year.